So thank you so much for coming to Xplore Studio.
Welcome.
I wanted to introduce to you today a smallest gym in the world. It's a smart gym and we call it as Xplore Pump. I would like you to do honors with unpacking the box. Just peel this here. First protective layer, designed for shipping online. The real box to unpack is inside this. So you can take this out. This is the box, just lift it. And then you have, you just press this button here and it turns on. Inside you have all the accessories that are needed to start your exercise. So inside you have ankle strap, carry bag, pump, instruction manual, foot strap. So you open this, it's a foot strap to hold the pump down and you exercise. This is a door hold. This portion goes behind the door, it holds down and this becomes your anchor. And this is the handle. So handles come also in this same combination as the device. This is a charging cable. When you pull it, you see a sound and the belt peel off the sticker. There's a small knob here. Just put it in and a quarter ton. And this is ready to roll. So normally you can operate without an app, or you can install an app on the phone, and you can have between 2 to 20 kgs of weight range. Eccentric and concentric both you can adjust to whatever levels basically. So this you can anchor anywhere. Just put it around anything,
Something heavy.
and it becomes the anchor. You can do it on a swing or an outside pole or any branch of a tree. Anything you can anchor this to.
Smart. It's lovely.
It's a smart gym.
Yeah, there we go.
It's a smart gym. It packs up.
I like that box that protects it.
Yeah, this is the box for shipping. Yeah. So this is a throwaway. You can keep this basically when you are.
Put a nice thick foam protecting it top
Yes.
to bottom.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Awesome.
Huh?